Welcome back to Cars Hub, and buckle up, because today we're diving into the 2026 BMW 3 Series, a car that's not just evolving, but revolutionizing what a sports sedan can be. Forget everything you've seen in those bland cookie-cutter reviews. This 8th-gen beast is packing surprises that'll make Mercedes and Audi sweat. Ready to see why this might be BMW's boldest move yet? Let's cut through the hype. The 2026 3 Series isn't just another facelift, it's a full-blown reimagining. While BMW's pushing hard into EVs with their new i3, the gasoline-powered 3 Series remains the undisputed king of their lineup. Inspired by the jaw-dropping NOI Class A concept, this thing looks like it just rolled off a superhero movie set. Sharp creases, aggressive LED signatures, and a grille that screams, "Move over, peasants." This is BMW design turned up to 11. But here's where things get wild. Slide inside and you're greeted by a cockpit that makes Tesla's interiors look dated. BMW's thrown out the old rulebook with a panoramic dashboard display that curves around the driver like a fighter jet's HUD. We're talking crystal clear graphics, haptic feedback that actually feels premium, and menus so intuitive even your grandma could navigate them. And those seats? Plush enough for a road trip, but bolstered like they're ready for the Nürburgring. Now, let's pop the hood. BMW's playing it coy with full specs, but here's what our insider whispers confirm. The 330's turbocharged 4-cylinder isn't just alive, it's meaner than ever, likely pushing 300-plus horsepower. The M340's 6-cylinder? Let's just say BMW's engineers have been busy in the lab. They're promising acceleration that'll pin your passengers to their seats while somehow sipping fuel like it's on a diet. But wait, there's a plot twist. While everyone's obsessing over EVs, BMW's doubling down on driving purity. The new 3 Series reportedly shaves off 2.8 seconds in lap times compared to the outgoing model thanks to witchcraft-level aerodynamics and retuned suspension. We're talking razor-sharp steering feedback that makes back roads feel like your personal playground. Tech junkies, feast your eyes. The iDrive system now responds to eye tracking and voice commands so natural it's creepy. Wireless CarPlay? Standard. A 360-degree camera system so crisp you could count pebbles on the road? You bet. And the driver assists? BMW's thrown in level 2 plus autonomy, lane changes, traffic jam assist, the whole 9 yards, without making it feel like the car's fighting you for control. Here's the kicker. Starting at $47,000, it undercuts the Mercedes C-Class by a solid $3,000, while offering more standard tech. Our prediction? The M340 trim at $63,000 will be the dark horse, giving the M3 a run for its money without the look-at-me price tag. Why should you care? Because BMW isn't just keeping up, they're rewriting the rules. This isn't some compliance car or half-baked EV experiment. It's a statement, proof that gasoline sedans can still dominate with the right mix of tech, aggression, and old-school driving magic. Drop a comment below. Are you Team Electric us E3 or sticking with the gas-powered legend? Smash that like button if you want us to tear down BMW's new engine tech next week. Stay tuned, stay loud, and keep those RPMs high.